Welcome back to API testing with Postman series. In the last video, we understood HTTP methods like get, post, put and delete. Now it's time to actually use Postman and send our first API request. So don't worry, I'll guide you step by step even if you are a complete beginner. Okay, so the first step is to install the Postman. If you go to Google and search for download Postman, you will see the very first link. Just click on it. Then, like currently I'm using a MacBook, you might be using Windows or MacBook, then that's you see the options here like download for Mac or download for Windows. Just click on it, it automatically start downloading. To save the time, I already downloaded that zip file. So here you can see Postman for macOS.zip. Just double click on it and click on next for installation, and this is how easily you able to install the Postman. Okay, now go to the directly Postman. When you open the Postman, the UI look like this. Okay, so if you are try with a free account, so you will not able to save your whatever request you have sent, and you are not able to save your data. So I'll recommend it to create your account. So when you create your account, you will able to save and share with collections, collaboration in workspace, AI assistance with postbot. So we will going to see this in coming lectures. Okay, so don't worry about this, just close this and click on create account. Once you click on create account, it will open a new link in the Chrome browser, and it will ask you to enter your email ID, password and your name, user ID. Okay, and that's how you are able to create. So I already have an account, so I'll click on sign in, and once you click on sign in, you will see the login page there and you are able to sign in. So see, this is opening in the browser. So I already have an account in Postman. I'll allow this. It's redirecting me again on Postman application. Let's wait for a moment to get it logging. So here we go, we are logging successfully. Once you log in, you will see this overview page here. For now, just close this one, and here you will see the plus icon. So click on the plus button and it will create a new request for you. Okay, so when you click on the plus icon, you will see in the right pan side, you will see the request section here, and this is the below one is nothing but your response section. So in the request section, you will have the URL bar here. You can see the HTTP method drop downs like get, post, put, delete. You can select your method from this drop down. Here it is a send button. When you click on send, the request sends to the server, and you will see the response from the server which you are getting in the JSON format. So you can see this response in this pan below here. Okay, so let's send our first API request. So I'll go to this URL. This is our dummy API. Okay, you can use this. I'll paste it in our description. So let's copy this one and paste in our URL bar. Okay, so it is a get method. We are trying to fetch the data from the server. So if I click on the send button, you will see it's sending the request here. Okay, and if you see, you will receive the response from the server. Okay, so don't worry about this. This response may look big to you, but it's very simple. So in this JSON data, we have received from the server, it's in the JSON format. So all these curly braces is nothing but your JSON objects, you can see, and each JSON object contains user ID, title and body. So this is the data we have requested from the server using that send request button. Okay, so let's relate this with our restaurant example, right? So you are requesting something, means you are sending the request to the API, to the server, and through the API. So this API is nothing but your waiter, right? And this request go to the server is means your kitchen in this example, and you are getting the JSON data as your food. So this is your food in the response, right? So let's understand few more things while you are testing the APIs. So here you can see in the response you see the 200 OK. Okay, so 200 OK is nothing but your status code. So request successful, the server has responded as required, and this is your response time. Response time nothing but how fast API is responding to your request, how fast you are getting the response from the server. Okay, response body is nothing but this one. This is the actual data which you are getting from the server, and this needs to be this you are going to validate, is it correct or not. So these are very important things in API testing. Okay, so this is for the video. So in this video we sent our first API request, we understood the response, we learned the basic concepts. So in the next video we will add query parameter and customize our request. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video guys. Thank you.